Expanding the memory and using a memory card on a Roland Fantom XR. To install the memory card, first remove the PC card protector. You can use a PC memory card or a compact flash memory card with a PC memory card adapter of up to 1 GB. I have chosen to use a 1 GB compact flash card with a compact flash adapter, sometimes also called a PC memory card adapter. Insert the PC card into the Fantom and the ejection button will pop out. Press the ejection button if you want to remove the PC card from the Fantom XR. Once the PC card is installed, install the PC card protector. Before installing the DIMM memory, Roland recommends that you disconnect the power cord as well as all other cables. First remove the 4 screws on the top cover and then remove the cover. Get a DIMM memory with the following specifications. It should have 168 pins, a speed of 100 or 133 MHz, a voltage of 3.3, a capacity of either 64, 128, 256 or 512 megabytes, and the board's height should be no more than 38 mm. DIMM memory sticks are sensitive to electrostatic charge and can easily be damaged. Before unpacking and installing the DIMM memory, make sure that you discharge any static electricity you have on you by touching a metal object, such as a water tap, which is earthed or grounded. Open the latches on the memory stick socket. When installing the DIMM memory, make sure it's the right way around and that the 2 grooves align with the socket, marked here in red. Carefully push the memory in and make sure the latches are closed. Once done, put the lid back on and put the screws back in. To confirm that the memory has been installed correctly and that it's working, turn on the device, press menu, use the up and down arrow and select system, press enter, use the right arrow, press it several times until you reach the system memory info. Here you can see the DIMM memory. 16 megabytes is the internal memory and the 512 megabytes is the memory I just installed. Below that is the user memory, which is part of the device itself, and below it the card, which is the 1 gigabyte almost that I just installed. The device is now ready to be used.